Everybody get down to the music, M-U-S-I-C. Somebody get down to the music, can you get down like me? Everybody get down to the music, M-U-S-I-C. Somebody get down to the music, can you get down like me?
It's Friday night when the club lines be out the door. Watch the silly niggas proud playing themselves to score. Full effect, spin the record, keep 'em moving some more. Men and women galore and violin and more. You couldn't pick a better night, various ones selected. Hips like you never seen, molded to perfection. And I can tell these sweet things be urgent for attention. A voice so compelling you bow to give it up. Make a merry man wanna leave his wife in the dust. Who can resist? Her figures of voluptuous. Sneak peek, leopard thong underneath your jeans. Pretty face and guts of taste and you be ballin', I see. Neck smelling like strawberries covered in cream. A fantasy to all men, never less than 10. It's gonna be a while, but I'ma make you twist and bend. React like two freaks in the back of a Benz. Come on.
Everybody get down to the music, M-U-S-I-C. Somebody get down to the music, can you get down like me? Everybody get down to the music, M-U-S-I-C. Somebody get down to the music, can you get down
Jones is my homos flowing again. Rapidly high pace when you know I bust. Hot sex on a platter got me steaming with lust. I put it down short term, so figure this out. Seduce your every move thoroughly, then freak you out. Quite simple how we both reach our higher pinnacle. All this flirting got me hoping for another miracle. See a woman of my stature, not comparable. Got my own home, big grown whips and all. Sophisticated wardrobe like Eternian law. Sort of sexy and hostile at the same time. Well, how can I respond when you manipulate mine? Tease my appetite when my emotions on the line. Big boy, hold it down, get my dick unlocked. When you're hot, who you think knows your delicate spot? You can front like you want, but you love me a lot.
Everybody get down to the music and